So what if you have some long and hard to remember command that you need to execute all the time? Something like, instead of typing this all the time, you can use alias. Use alias keyword, provide your alias name, equals, and wrap this entire text in quotation marks. For inner quotation marks, use escape character and press enter. Now, whenever you need to execute this command, just type easy to your terminal. If you want to delete your alias, type unalias easy. Now, if you call easy, you see there is no command to be found. And if you want to use your alias in between sessions and even after you restart your computer, you will have to edit your terminal configuration file. In my case, that is zshrc. Go to the end of this file and define your alias. Once again, easy. And now we cannot use escape characters. We are going to use regular quotation marks to wrap entire command. And now inner text we are going to wrap with apostrophes. Write this out, exit from this file, source this file, and now if you want to execute your permanent command, use alias. Easy. And now if you want to delete this alias, edit configuration file once again. Delete alias, write it out, exit, source it, and use unalias. Now if I type easy, there is no command to be found.